Introduction: Unheard of car deals and market shifts. In today's world, we're seeing deals that seem too good to be true, especially in the automotive industry. Imagine driving a car with zero down payment and no monthly payments for 27 months. Sounds impossible, right? Yet, that's exactly what Fiat is offering with their electric vehicle, EV, model. As the automotive market faces significant changes, we see major car manufacturers adopting innovative, albeit surprising, methods to move inventory. Let's dive into the current situation with the Fiat 500e and why this is a sign of the times in the car industry. Footnote: car manufacturers are resorting to unprecedented offers, indicating the need for drastic changes in how cars are sold and leased. 1. The Fiat 500e, an unbelievable deal. Fiat's latest strategy involves offering a zero down, no payment lease for their electric vehicle, the Fiat 500e. This deal is available in select states like California and Colorado, which have stricter emission regulations. The offer is based on a lease that costs $1,297 to secure, with a residual payment of $395 after 27 months. The total price of the car is $32,000, but by the end of the lease term, the car is worth $177,000, an extreme depreciation in value, which illustrates the desperation in the market. For a base price car, this is an unusual and aggressive offer, revealing the challenges Fiat and the auto industry face in maintaining sales. Footnote: the Fiat 500e deal showcases the automotive industry's efforts to unload stock while managing the transition to electric vehicles and responding to changing consumer behavior. 2. The decline of traditional cars and the rise of EVs. Fiat's transition from traditional combustion vehicles to electric models is part of a broader trend in the industry. The rise of EVs, driven by environmental concerns and government regulations, has forced car manufacturers to rethink their entire strategy. Fiat's move to offer the 500e at almost no cost signals their struggle to balance sustainability with profitability. While consumers may benefit from these deals, the long-term effects on the automotive market could be significant. Additionally, the switch to EVs has led to the discontinuation of many popular models, further complicating the situation for manufacturers and dealers alike. Footnote: the push for electric vehicles is reshaping the automotive landscape, but car manufacturers must navigate new challenges related to production costs, consumer demand, and environmental regulations. 3. The automotive industry's desperation and market shifts. The automotive industry is in turmoil. Companies like Fiat and others are struggling to unload inventory, offering deals that were unimaginable just a few years ago. The incredible offers, such as the Fiat 500e's zero down, no payment lease, reflect the industry's desperation to meet the demands of a changing market. While this might seem like an excellent opportunity for consumers, it's a clear indicator that the auto industry is facing major disruptions, including changes in consumer behavior and the shift toward electric vehicles. These offers show how businesses are attempting to adapt to the rapidly changing market dynamics. Footnote: the desperation in the car industry, with offers like zero-down leases, is a clear sign of the challenges manufacturers are facing to move inventory and adapt to new market trends. 4. Fiat's struggle with emissions and regulatory compliance. Fiat's transition to EVs is largely driven by the company's efforts to meet stringent emissions standards, particularly in states with high environmental regulations like California. By offering the 500e, Fiat is not only addressing these regulatory concerns but also trying to solve their own issues with emissions fines. The company's past struggles with high emissions in their vehicles have pushed them to innovate, although the solution seems to have come at a steep cost. While Fiat's actions may resolve their immediate emissions concerns, the long-term financial implications of such drastic offers remain uncertain. Footnote: Fiat's struggle with emissions fines has led them to pivot toward electric vehicles, but the financial viability of such drastic deals remains questionable. Conclusion: the changing landscape of the automotive industry. The automotive industry's current offers, like the Fiat 500e's zero-down lease deal, signal a profound shift. As car manufacturers face increasing pressure to transition to electric vehicles while meeting environmental regulations, they are resorting to unprecedented measures to attract customers. For consumers, this presents unique opportunities, but it also raises questions about the long-term stability of the industry. As the market continues to evolve, only time will tell how these drastic measures impact both consumers and manufacturers alike. Footnote: the shift to electric vehicles, coupled with desperate marketing strategies, is reshaping the automotive industry, presenting both challenges and opportunities for businesses and consumers.